Hello everybody, welcome to the Raw Life Health Show. I'm doing my best to make sure I'm getting the highest quality food as possible so I can keep my body as healthy as possible. And you want to think about where you can buy your food. And since I started growing much of my own food, I come to the realization that the food at the grocery store is pretty much garbage. Even in the health food store, you're not getting the best possible food you can get. This is why I learned to edible for wild edible greens. This is why I learned to grow my own microgreens and grow my own garden. But there are some things I still want that I just can't get yet. And I know many of you are in the same situation. Many of you want to eat a raw food diet. Many of you want to have a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. You would like to grow it yourself, but you just can't. Well, what's the next best thing? Is it going to the local supermarket, going to the health food store, or even better yet, going to a farmer's market or a friend you know that's growing? Well, if you have those opportunities, wonderful. But we don't always have that opportunities. But I want to tell you now something I do when I'm looking for the best food, but I just can't grow it myself as of yet. I have a friend in South Florida who grows all the foods I love. One of my favorite foods is mamey sapote. I have several friends that grow this, but two in specific mail the fruit in the mail. I'm going to put their links below. But this is an amazing fruit. This one's particularly from my tree. So now I can get this. But before I was able to get this from my own trees, I would get them from these two places. Well, same thing for avocados. Right now it's avocado season. And I wanted to give you an example. My friends at guacfarm.com have two avocados that are excellent from Florida. And I said, ship me a box, please. I want to get a box. You can go to their website at guacfarm.com and you can order this very box, and I want to show you what it looks like. The box comes like this, and they have avocados that are in season, so they're not sitting in a refrigerator for months. They're in season. They pick them at the right time. They send you a box like this, and they have their little alligator on there, Sleepy Lizard Guac Farms. But look, they also have hats, and they have shirts. I love this company. I love this hat. I love this shirt, and so I got that as well, and you can get that on the website, guacfarm.com. But I'm going to open this box now and show you what you're going to get. And the amazing thing about this is you're getting these avocados at a similar price to as what you would buy them in a grocery store. Amazing, amazing. And you open up the box and they tell you what variety is in there. The first thing, they have this paper. So this paper, Monroe Avocado is selected. Monroe Avocado is a very nice avocado. As a matter of fact, every avocado selection they have on here, I do videos on my other YouTube channel and website. But they have a Choquette. They have a Monroe. That's where we're in right now, Monroe. They have a Simmons and Donnie. These are two earlier avocados that you can get earlier in the summer. They're excellent. They have a Miguel and a Pollock, excellent. Reed, which is a California avocado that they grow here in Florida. That's great. Catalina. I like this avocado so much I actually have it. It's excellent. And then they have a Hall, and then they have the seedling avocado of this company. It's excellent. So I love this list. Check off this list so you can see which avocados you want to reorder and get again. So I'm going to keep that list. Then you take off this and look. They sent me 5 of the most amazing Monroe, Florida avocados picked at the right time. Look at these. Look how big these are. And these aren't like your regular watery avocados. Now, amazing. Now, I have a friend that has another farm, Julian at laurafarmsmiami.com, that sells a variety box that can sell you a bunch of avocados that are in season right now. But when you find the avocado that you absolutely love, you want to go to guacfarm.com and you want to order a box of those particular avocados. And right now, this is what's in season, the hot topic, and this is what I recommend. I want everyone, if you're serious about your health, stop getting your foods from the store and start growing your foods itself. And if you're not able to do that, or even if you are able to do that, go on the internet and find some places where you can order stuff. Now, I want to tell you, as a raw vegan, the things I like to order online. I love sea vegetables. Love sea vegetables. So I want to make sure I'm always stocked up in my house with that. So I order my dulse online. Amazon has great deals on whole leaf dulse, which I love. What else do I get online as a raw foodist? Persimmons. I have an amazing contact for persimmons in Georgia. Now, I can grow persimmons here, but my trees aren't flourishing yet. So for persimmons, I contact my contact in Georgia. They just finished their persimmon season in Georgia, but it was amazing, and I'm so excited about that. And what else am I getting online? Sometimes I get macadamia nuts online from Hawaii. I like to order it directly from the grower. And at this place, laurafonzmiami.com, I get a whole bunch of different exotic fruits that you can't even find in the store that are absolutely amazing. I have a bunch of videos about that. That's laurafonzmiami.com. I'll put that link below. When it comes to avocados, Laura Farms is amazing as well, but my go-to place here is guacfarm.com. Not only did I have avocados, they also have mamey sapote when it's in season. They have an amazing selection of mamey sapote. This year they're going to start selling sapodilla fruit. And then they also sell something which I just made a video about recently, which is the Monstera de Rosia fruit that tastes like a combination of a banana and a pineapple. Absolutely amazing. I want to help you to be successful at eating healthy as possible. And with these links I'm sharing with you, it's easy to make that happen. When you go to guacfarm.com, pick yourself up a hat and a shirt as well. It's a great logo, great company, and I'll be doing more videos down there when I go back down there with Tom, who's the owner there. But I'm so excited. These should be ready in the next couple of days, these avocados, and they won't all get ready at the same time. I'll leave them on my counter. I'll be able to eat them. I could put 1 or 2 in the refrigerator so it'll slow down the ripening. But these and this size avocado is the size of maybe 2 or 3 Hass avocados you'd buy from the store. So one of these can last you 2 or 3 days, or should, because you shouldn't overeat on fats and eat all of these in the same day. If I put 2 in the fridge and keep 2 or 3 on my counter, this whole box should last me maybe 1 or 2 weeks. So with that in mind, pick up 1, 2, or 3 boxes at separate times throughout the month, and you'll be set. You'll be set. You can go the whole summer with just getting these avocados. And then right after this one, you have another variety, and then another variety. And we're at the point here in South Florida, we can get avocados pretty much maybe 10 months out of the year, maybe 11 months out of the year. That means you can get it, because if we can grow it, you can get it. Even in the summertime, you want mangoes? Now I'm selling mangoes, but there are a bunch of my friends selling mangoes out there as well come the summertime. So you can get so many delicious fruits and even vegetables and everything through the mail order. My friend Julian at laurafonzmiami.com has such an amazing selection of fruits. All year long, something's in season. Right now, he's shipping star fruit. He's shipping avocados. He's shipping, I don't even know, go to his website. I'll put it below and see what he's doing. So I wanted you to show how I get much of my food these days if I can't grow it myself. And we no longer have the reason, well, you can grow it so you can do that, but I can't. Well, now you can get it directly from the grower, and that's what I recommend. That's how to stay healthy eating this way. All right. Thank you, everybody, for watching this. The links are below. Go ahead and grab yourself some avocados. Have a great day, everybody, and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the raw life health.